Hello guys, welcome to Smart Future, the future of finance, which is digital currency, either it's cryptocurrency trading or Forex trading. Today we're going to be carrying out a top-down analysis on gold, starting from the monthly down to the daily to see what opportunities gold has in store for us this week. And as you can see, the market is currently rejecting its movement that the uptrend movement has been on for some time now, and it's correcting that to back down, and we could see that this is a week that is already created, and you could see the market trying to fill up all of those weeks, probably also trying to find where the strongest buy institutional buys are situated as well. But as it stands now, you can see that the market is finding difficult to break below this zone, so there might just be some level of some number of buyers trying to hold this position to push the sellers out of market and probably turn the price back up a bit before we see the market continue back down. And down to the weekly, you could see the same thing happening here. Bearish on the pattern, like I said, a retracement of that to create a lower high, and a continuation of that movement to confirm this as a complete change of character and a change of trend as well. It has been on an uptrend for some time, and if this finally ends up breaking this position, you could call this a downtrend, of which will also find itself a certain position to respect before it decides to change its trend back up, as this is gold in question. So down to the daily, you can see how the market is really respecting the zone, as it is doing the same thing here on the weekly. Market is finding this zone as a zone of respect, support, where there are probably a lot of buyers situated. It has once pushed out of this zone before, but the buyers in the market weren't enough to push the price back up, so the sellers took over and then created a sweep to take out a lot of buyers, so more liquidity can be pushed into the market to push the price to their desired position for take profit before they allow the sellers to take complete control of this market. So we can see market move up one last time to the upside before we see a continuation back down to create new lower lows in the market. Please do well to like and subscribe for more analysis like this, so you can learn a thing or two from this as well. As you all, the market is reactive and not predictive. You can't just get into the market out of prediction. We need to see how the market reacts in positions of demand and supply before we choose or decide that we need to get into the market for a buy or we need to get into the market for a sell. So for us to do that, we know that to find directions in the market, we need to look at the daily, the weekly, and the monthly to see what market is doing and to know how market would continually behave towards the next coming day or the next couple of hours. So, but for us to find entries, we need to also look at intraday time frames to confirm these entries, like the 4-hour, 1 hour, or even the 15 minutes time frame to confirm or to find good entries or to find confirmations before getting in on a buy or sell in the market. As you can see here, the market is really respecting. There's already been a liquidity sweep, so now we could just wait to see if there are openings or there is some sort of signal or confirmation that signifies that it is safe for us to get in on a buy right now on the market, as the market might just push back up a little bit to the upside. Or that might also not be the case if peradventure the market also decides to close in a different way. But still, like I said, it is preferable to wait for the market to give us that signal that it's good to go for us to get another buy. Until then, it's preferable to wait and see how the market reacts on this position. Probably the sellers might just have the strength to push the price below this zone of respect and take out a lot of buyers in the market and continue its movement back down to create new lows in the market. Until that is said and done, this is still a zone of respect where market can still push back up. So that concludes the end of this analysis, today's analysis on gold. Please do also like and subscribe once again. If you need help with forex trading, want to know how to trade, or you want to receive free signals, please do well to reach out to me on my Telegram channel. I'm always available and at your service at any point in time. Please have a nice day. Goodbye.